Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to view tax reports on eToro. You can easily view your tax reports on eToro. To do that, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.etoro.com, then press on enter. With this, you'll be taken to official eToro website. Now to view your tax reports on eToro, you need to first log into your account. Now to log in, click on login option on the top right corner. Then here you can see the login page. You can log into your account using your Apple ID, your Facebook account or your Google account. I'm going to enter my username and password to log in. After that, click on sign in option. Then you will be able to log into your eToro account. After you log into your eToro account, you can see your home page. On the left side, you can see your menu bar. Now scroll down on your menu bar. Then here you can see settings option. So click on settings option. Now on the second, here you can see the option of account. Click on account option. Then scroll down. Then on the documents, you can see two kinds of documents that you can view. Tap on View option near Tax Reports. With this, you'll be able to view your tax report. You can select the year for which you want to view the report. After you select one of them, you can see the option to download the tax report. Click on Download button to save the report to your device. This is how we can view tax reports on eToro. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.